Hi Artsies! In this video, I will tell you some legit art stores where you can buy professional art materials or at least student-grade art materials that are good for practice. My name is Bianca, and if you are new to my channel, I create calligraphy, watercolor, and art supplies reviews. So if you like those kind of content, remember to subscribe to my channel and check my other videos as well. This video is for people who are searching for good quality art materials in the Philippines other than Shopee and Lazada. If you are a new artist and you can find good quality materials for your art in the bookstores, this video is for you. So let's start with the most popular one, the art bar. It has variety of art materials, different mediums, whether that be watercolor, charcoal drawing, or that be oil, acrylic. If you are a fine art student or architectural student, you can find those. And also, they have also art supplies for kids. They also have art supplies for professionals and for hobbyists. They also sell art books, easels, and even 10 yards of watercolor paper. I usually go to the BGC branch. If it's far from you, that's okay because they have also different branches or stores, and they have also Shopee and Lazada, so you can check them out. Next one is Art Nebula. They have a physical store in Parañaque, and they also have an online website where you can purchase their products. They have now Shopee and Lazada stores where you can also check their items and check out. Have a variety of quality art materials in different mediums, whether that will be oil, acrylic, or watercolor or gouache, they have it. They are also authorized distributor of different quality art materials like Isabey, Raphael, Shiminka, Etcher, and many more. I ordered several times from them. They are very accommodating and friendly. Once your payment has been confirmed, you can have your order delivered via Grab or Lalamove if you are around Metro Manila. If not, they can also ship to you via courier. Next one is the Oil Paint Store. They have online store and they also have physical stores. So this one is good. They have branches in Cubao, in Makati, and also in Manila. The closest branch to me is Cubao, and they're very accommodating. Even in Messenger, you can have your order delivered via Grab or Lalamove. The closest branch to me is Cubao, and once the payment has been confirmed and the item is available, they can ship the item to you same day. I experienced that, and I'm so happy to get my order same day as I ordered it. I don't have to wait for a few more days to get my item shipped. As long as your payment has been confirmed and the item is available, they can have it delivered to you. Also, if you are near the branch, but if you are outside of Metro Manila, they can have it delivered to you. They accept payments using GCash, bank transfer, or PayPal. They also have COD. Next store is Art Whale. Art Whale has a physical store in Maginhawa, Quezon City, and they also have online store, and now they also have Lazada store. It is the closest art store to me, but I visited the store only once. They have variety of quality art materials in every medium. You can place your order online. As long as your payment has been confirmed, you can have your order also delivered the same day as long as you are close to the branch or near the branch. You can have it pick up by Lalamove or Grab. If not, you can have the item delivered to you, and you will get the items in 3 to 5 days. In my experience buying in Art Whale, even online, I can get my item right away, like same day, because I'm just close to the branch. But if not, that's okay. You can still have your item delivered to you in a week. For payments, they accept online payments like GCash, credit card, PayPal, and bank transfer. Next stores I will mention are those stores that haven't ordered from them yet or haven't visited yet. The first 4 stores I mentioned earlier, those are the stores that I ordered from. I find the first 4 stores more accessible and they have more art supplies availability. Before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you like this kind of content, please hit the subscribe button so that you will be notified for the next videos that I will upload next time. Next one is Deovir Arts. They have 4 stores in Metro Manila. They have their main branch is in Recto. They have also branch in Mega Mall, Quezon Boulevard, and North EDSA. The same with the previous art stores I mentioned earlier. Once your payment has been confirmed online, then they will deliver your items and accept payments using credit card, PayPal, and online banking. Another art store is Caravan. They are located in Pasig. They have online store, but they not sure if they have a physical store in Pasig open. They accept COD only for customers who are in Metro Manila, but they can also deliver outside of the Philippines. They accept online bank transfers, credit card, and PayPal. Once your payment has been confirmed, they can deliver in 2 to 3 business days and up to 7 days for provincial orders. Next one is artillery. If you are a fan of brush pens, markers, pencils, journaling, and urban sketching, you should check out artillery. They can deliver in 3 to 7 business days and they accept online bank transfers and COD. I think the reason that I haven't shopped in this store yet because they sell mostly pens. If you like markers or if you are a manga artist, you can check them out. They also offer workshops for calligraphy and watercolor as well. Next one is Art Caravan. If you visit the art bar in BGC, 5 minutes away from there, you can find the Art Caravan. I ignored this store before because they do not have the items or art supplies that I normally use and I want. Recently, they offered Daniel Smith watercolor paints, which I really like and I'm using. And recently, they also opened workshops for watercolors and gouache. If you want to be updated on their workshop schedules and art supplies that they have, you can follow them on their Instagram account. If you live in San Juan or nearby, Pulp and Pigment is the store to visit. If not, you can also make purchases online. You can make payments via bank transfer or BDO, GCash, or COD. If you're around in Metro Manila or nearby, you can get the items via Lalamove or Grab as well. I hope you find this video helpful and I recommend to check this next video.